12:58 p.m. I'm here at Dunn's River Falls. Got my entry bracelet. Then guide walked me down to the starting point here. Got a locker for a crazy US $8, but then apparently you get $3 back if you return the key. So $5 net. Got changed into my bathing suit and aqua shoes. Went to the bathroom and now finally ready to start the climb. And they have like guides who work here specifically, not part of my tour, but I wonder if you can just walk up on your own. Approximately 1 hour from beach level to main exit. Alright, well, let's see what the deal is here. Just follow this group here, I guess. Oh, so they have some kind of a zip line course in here as well. And I just realized the cover for the charging plug and micro SD card on my GoPro is missing. So I will need to go back to the locker and hope that it is in there in my bag somewhere. Oh my goodness. If not, I am totally screwed. So the GoPro is waterproof, but not with the cover missing. Oh my goodness. Alright, thank heavens I found the cover in the GoPro case. I'd been charging the battery, and I guess when I took the charging cable out, the cover came off. So now I guess we're supposed to go down to the beach and then climb up from there. So hopefully this is the way down to the beach. There's a group with guide. I'll just try and join in with them. I guess we climb all the way down and then come up to the top, and that's the end. I guess we'll find out. Wasn't quite sure how this is all gonna work.
Hey, Yaman! Yaman! Yo, yo, yo! Hey, Yaman!
All right, I see the beach. Like this will be quite the adventure here. It's, I believe, the most popular tourist attraction in all of Jamaica.
I don't. Or the maniac son from what? I don't have it. Woo!
How's that make you feel?
Walk back along the side. If not, you're going to have to come all the way back. Walk back along the side. Walk up along the side.
sure that I really need to go with a guided group. I think I could just follow the other people going up. Not quite sure what the point of having a guide is.
I don't know.
This is called the tornado entrance, where the falls empty out into the beach.